All right, there's a couple more things about linking that we want to take a look at. So I'm going to grab some lorem text real quick. So let's say lorem text. And we will grab, let's see, this one. Doesn't really matter, just grab whichever one. And I'm going to grab this text right here. I'm going to copy it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it H1. That says I can't type, things about me. And what we're going to do is under that, we'll do an image. Now, my image is going to look a little bit different if you are following along because I have the CSS on. So what you can do is just add the height 200 if you are doing that. So that's all I have is the height 200 on that. And then I'm going to do an H2 that says inside ID equals food. Now we haven't talked about IDs yet, but I want you to write that in anyways for now. And so we got food, and inside that I'm going to do a paragraph tag and paste in that lorem text, then close it up and save. So there's that first one, and then I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to paste it in again. So there's two of them. So it looks like there's really long text under food because I like a lot of food, you know. So we'll do that, and then we'll do another H2, ID equals travel, and inside that we'll do travel, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to paste that once, and we're going to paste it twice. So now we have travel, and then we'll do one more, which we will do politics. Politics, we're not going to get into them. We're just going to be typing the word. And then under that, we're going to paste again with the P tag and paste again. So now we have with two paragraphs because there's a lot going on in politics. All right. So this is our site so far. So if we wanted to actually go between these without all the scrolling, what we would do is we would have links, right? So we already know how to make a list. So let's make a list under the things about me. We'll do unordered list. And inside that, we're going to do 3 li tags. And inside the li tags, we're going to put an a tag, which href equals. And to link to these actual h2s, what you would do is you would use this ID. And what the ID, the symbol for ID is pound. So we'll put pound food, and then inside the actual tag will just be food. So that gives us a link, and the link is not going to another page, it's going to a position on our page, which is using the ID food. So pound food. And if you do the Shift Alt when you're on that line and hit down the arrow twice, you're going to have those two, and then we'll do travel and politics. So we'll do politics. And I don't think politics actually has that under there. So we'll have to take a look. And I'm just going to do lowercase just to make it all look the same. So let's save that. So if I hit food, it scrolls down to food. If I hit travel, it scrolls down to travel. And politics is not working because we never put that in there. So we need that ID in there or it's just not going to work. There's nothing it's linking to. So we'll put ID equals pound. Nope, not pound, just politics. So there that works now. What if I did pound? Let's see. Let's take a look. What will happen? What do you think? Nothing? Yeah, nothing. So we got to have it exactly look the same or it's not going to work. All right, so there's that. And then the other thing, Google Crick would be linking to another page. And I'll say I had inside here another HTML page. So let's say I had about.html. So now we have this about HTML and we have this the main page index. And I'm just going to, inside that about.html, I'm just going to put H1 that says about me. All right, that's all it says. So how will we link to that page? We don't have to go out to the HTTP because we're not going out on the internet, we're actually using it on our local server. So we can simply do is we'll do another li tag, and inside that we'll do the a tag. href equals about.html. And if it's in the same folder, then you don't have to worry about doing any moving up and down. And we'll put about inside the a tag, and then where it is, and there it is. We go right to our about page. Now there's no way to link back. Try to put that in there yourself, so you can pause here. What we can do is we'll just do a href equals and then index.html. And this will say index, or let's say home. Home would be more appropriate to use. And we'll save. This one we have to refresh because it's not into our live reloading. But there's a home button. Click that and we're back on our main page. So I want to make sure you guys were aware of that because you're going to be using that in your main project. And that is all for this lesson.